Once the crane is boomed down, the hook block is still well in front of the boards. Therefore, we came up with the solution of a hook block tilting frame, where we can store the hook block, boom down the crane to move to the next foundation.
See behind me right now is the installation spread from Mammoet. So at this moment we're installing a so-called drivetrain and hub. After that the blades will be installed on that turbine. See all of these little islands, those are all the foundations for Windplanblauw that we've built since the spring of 2022. Steel work, sand dredging, sand filling, then there was a lot of concrete works and rebar works. There's been a huge amount of work done. And then after that, all of the nearshore cables, so all of the marine cables that will eventually export the power from the wind farm were then installed.
Since we are near shore, we have to deal with the environmental conditions such as wind and waves. During the engineering phase, we optimized the operational limits. During the installation phase, we monitor weather on a daily basis in contact with all parties.
Ones, more economical ones, then it's usually a great place because that's where the wind conditions will be the best.
We have been working hard over the last couple of months to install all 23 turbines, and there we are at the last one. Weather conditions have been quite challenging this year in the whole of the Netherlands. To speed up the process, we also have put a night shift on this project to have a double shift. Together with our partners, we worked as a team on board during all stages of the project.
What we have seen the last 3 to 4 years, that the crawler cranes which we have, high capacity, are not suitable anymore for the offshore wind related projects due to the fact of the higher weights we need to handle. Therefore we have seen last time already 3 ring cranes in the offshore wind. We're already looking ahead and seeing, okay, we need additional equipment like an SK to handle even more.
During the day shift today, we did all the preparations to start with the lifting of the last blade, and then we will hand over to the night shift to finalize the last 3 blades and to finish the project.
Place. Windplanblauw started about 10 years ago as an initiative together with Vattenfall and SwifterwinT to develop this whole site, which includes 37 onshore turbines and 24 here in the IJsselmeer. The wind farm that stood here before Irenevoering was 28 turbines along this dike. That capacity can be replaced by 3 of the new turbines, and we have 24.
What I see developing in the offshore market is that clients are getting certain plots and they want to have more output in it. So less turbines, but bigger capacity turbines. This is the biggest challenge which we have in the market of bigger turbines, which means that using a certain capacity crane is not sufficient anymore. So we're already seeing a lot of ring cranes, the PTC and the SKs, now entering the renewables industry.
So if you have the opportunity to tear down the original turbines and replace them with bigger, better, more powerful ones, more economical ones, then it's usually a great place because that's where the wind conditions will be the best.